Today we celebrate our Republic Day. Today we praise democracy blindly. Does anyone know here why do we praise democracy blindly? The Chinese managed to grow rapidly. Under 80 years, both India and China started at the same position in 1947. But still, China is better than India today. Why? The Vietnamese managed to defeat the most strongest military, America, without being a democracy. The Cubans managed to resist the Americans without being a democracy. The Nazi Germany. They managed to grow under 10 years much more. They pull out their country from 33% rate of poverty to 12% poverty. They grew their infrastructure. After World War I, Nazi Germany was in ruins. But after Hitler came, the Nazis, under 6 years, the Nazi Germany grew very fast. Do you know why? Not because today Indian politicians who think about staying in power, Adolf Hitler had true love for his country, not like our country. Singapore, and many of us know how huge has grown in so many years with its high infrastructure and high economy. Today, Singapore has become one of the largest exporter and one of the most visited places in the whole world. Without being a communism, there was a ruthless execution because there is no democracy. In India, the politics means winning power, not developing the country. India today, politicians think more about how to stay in power rather than how to develop the country. Why? In Singapore, corruption is completely eliminated, but in India, it's not. Ever known, around in November 2025, a video call got viral. The same situation was of China. The air quality of China got worse, but today China's air quality is one of the best by hi-fi technology. Today, the people who were given the money to increase the AQI are now watering the AQI machine just to give it a low AQI reading. I just want to say at the last, a good leadership is more important than democracy. Thank you. Jai Hind.